Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable LinkedIn ad personalization using Google settings, detailed guide. To disable LinkedIn ad personalization using Google settings, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google homepage. If you're not already signed in, click on the sign in button and enter your Google account credentials. Once you're signed in, look for the 9-dot grid icon in the upper right corner. Click on this icon to open the Google Apps menu. From the menu, select Account to access your Google account settings. In the left sidebar, click on Data and Personalization. Scroll down until you reach the Ad Personalization section. Click on Add Personalization to open the relevant settings. You will see a toggle switch to turn off ad personalization. Switch this toggle to the left to disable ad personalization. A confirmation window may pop up asking if you're sure you want to turn off ad personalization. Read the information carefully, then click Turn Off to confirm. After turning off ad personalization, scroll back to the top of the page. Click on Manage your ad settings to further customize your ad preferences. Here, you can review and manage the topics and interests that Google uses for ad targeting. You can also remove any interests that you no longer want Google to use. Once you've made your changes, exit the Settings tab. Now, you've successfully disabled LinkedIn ad personalization using your Google settings. It may take some time for changes to take effect across different platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.